Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Inventive Tech, a channel dedicated to new ultimate gadgets and innovations. Going camping used to mean trekking through muddy grounds, sleeping in the cold, and eating beans from a can. But these clever camping inventions will make the outdoor escape seem like a high-end vacation. From camping tools that operate from solar power to sandwiches that come in a can, the ways to feel completely at home in the wilderness with these clever camping inventions are simply endless. In today's video, we're going to show you 8 clever camping inventions. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I guarantee you're going to love what I have in store, so let's get started. Number 8. Orland Camp Stove. Orland stoves are luxurious tent stoves made from the best materials. The first mobile stove with a glass door and walls, this larger Orland stove is ideal for fitting to tents over 5 meters. The solidly built stove takes only 5 minutes to set up, adding a cozy fireplace to your base camp. You could serve freshly baked bread straight from the optional baking oven that takes only 2 minutes to assemble and is placed directly on top of the stove. Harnessing the power of the fire within, you can cook directly on top of the stove while you enjoy looking at the flames through the large glass panes. Number 7. Nomad Kitchen. The Nomad Kitchen turns your vehicle into an adventure mobile with a compact kitchen that gives you space for food prep, cooking, and cleaning. Wherever your drive takes you camping, overlanding, road trips, tailgating, festivals, or adventure sport base camp, the Nomad Kitchen is the first and only convenient, portable, and affordable pull-out kitchen with a universal fit and a tool-free setup. It's easy enough to take in and out of any vehicle, whether it's a commuter or the most robust adventure rig. The Nomad Kitchen will fit any SUV, crossover, wagon, truck, or van with enough cargo space to fit a box 25.5 inches deep, 14.5 inches tall, and 22.5 inches wide, including mounting hardware and locking devices, and 3 to 4 tie-down anchor points. The Nomad Kitchen fits any stove with dimensions up to 14 inches deep, 23.75 inches wide, and 4.5 inches high or smaller. Number 6. The EST Shovel. The EST Shovel is called the world's most capable adventure tool because it's built by campers for campers, with all the essential tools you'd need on any adventure. The shovel is made from premium materials, so it not only gets the job done, but it gets it done time and time again. It's been designed with just the right balance of durability and strength to ensure that you'll be prepared for anything. The EST Shovel features 18 tools: shovel, saw, axe, knife, spear, bottle opener, fire starter, wire cutter, trowel, hexagon wrenches, nail puller, ice pick, ruler, hook, waterproof storage screwdriver, whistle, compass, and a rope cutter. Wow! Number 5. My Canoe. Origami kayaks first arrived on the paddling scene a few years ago, and they've quickly exploded in popularity. The innovation was to lose the poles, inflatable chambers, and skin components that were utilized in previous packable designs, and to replace them with a single, foldable piece of polypropylene. Think a beefy, UV-resistant version of that campaign sign in your neighbor's yard. Now the style's been applied to My Canoe, a Kickstarter-funded project that allows a 14.5-foot, 1- or 2-person canoe to stow away in the trunk of your car or your closet. This is a game changer for anyone who's limited on space but who still wants a vessel that's quick to set up and sturdier than an inflatable. Number 4. selk'bag. selk'bag, the original wearable sleeping bag brand, is thrilled to announce the launch of its newest design, the first fully recycled wearable sleeping bag on the market, the Nomad. Made with 100% post-consumer recycled material, every Nomad is produced with recycled polyester material that utilizes 65 discarded plastic bottles to create each bag. From head to toe, the Nomad is filled with 100% post-consumer recycled PrimaLoft black insulation thermoplume to ensure warmth even in wet conditions. These unique insulation fibers mimic the lightweight warmth, softness, and compressibility of natural goose down for maximum comfort and performance. Number 3. Lunatec Aquabot. Aquabot is a high-pressure hydration spray bottle that combines hydration with a continuous spray for cooling and cleaning in a fun, easy-to-use design. You can clean off, cool off, hydrate, and have fun with mist, shower, and stream patterns. You simply pump to charge it, select your spray pattern, and press the trigger. It has a tube which increases the functionality of the already amazing Aquabot by a factor of 3. The tube allows you to keep your bottle in your backpack, golf bag, baby stroller, and cup holder. You still get all 3 spray patterns. It also has a magnet so you can snap it on and off for convenient access. The insulation suit is a stylish, high-quality neoprene bottle sleeve that protects and keeps your water colder or warmer longer. Number 2. Bumper Dumper. The Bumper Dumper is the original hitch-mounted portable toilet and can be used for a variety of sanitation situations. Great for hunting, fishing, camping, off-road, forestry, ranches, farms, outdoor enthusiasts, construction sites, travel, and more. The Bumper Dumper is a trailer hitch toilet that can hold up to 500 pounds of weight. According to the manufacturer, it easily mounts in a 2x2 hitch receiver or can be used as a standalone unit in conjunction with a 5-gallon bucket. It can also use just about any toilet seat and features a powder-coated frame to help prevent rust. The next time you're in a tricky spot, this product could help make things at least slightly less weird for you. And number 1, the Watermat. The Watermat Plus is a 3-ply version that features a top layer of 100% commercial-grade cross-link poly that is 50% more buoyant than the original Watermat. This huge lake toy is designed for no-hassle weekends, when you can enjoy fun with the family instead of spending time fixing inflatable water toys. Made of 100% commercial-grade polyethylene foam and mesh that can handle both fresh and salt water, the Watermat Plus never needs to be inflated. Just roll it out on the water for instant fun. Alright, I hope you liked this video. Which one of these camping inventions are you most likely to use for your camping adventures? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. With that being said, we'll see you in the next video.